on. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Markets had a big update today. All right. So we were expecting buyers to come in after after a lot of selling last week. So let's go ahead and take a look at the markets. Okay. All right. All right. So you guys should see my screen here. Hey, Betty. Welcome, Betty. Welcome. All right. Um, uh, all right. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Now we had the US 30 made a great move. Great move today, guys. All right. So you guys should see on my screen here. All right. The US 30, all right. That's the Dow US 30. And you guys know we implemented the time frames. We did that just recently. And boy, it's amazing how this additional upgrade is doing, right? So really good long trades. And this on the 5 minute also on the US 30. So a great trade here. And then this one here, absolutely great trade. Opened at the New York session, all right, and took that trade all day, complete day. Great buy signal, great sell signal on the US 30, really capturing the move in the Dow. All right, so great move, US 30. All right, hopefully our US 30 traders captured some of that move. All right, but big day in the equity markets. All right, so the Dow was up, guys. 511 points for the day. That's a big update. All right, that's a big update, and that's to be expected after a week of selling. All right, S&P was also up right here. All right, so Nasdaq, right, also up. Russell was also up. All right, but don't be fooled by this buying. All right, we know better. All right, we know better than that, right? Just because we had big up days, right, in the indexes doesn't mean anything has changed. Hey, Dominic, welcome, welcome, Dominic. All right, so just because, guys, remember, all right, one day of buying doesn't change, right? Doesn't change the trend. All right, so uh, we still in the markdown phase. All right. That buying today is just this candle here, guys. All right. That's not a big deal. It's a big deal for the day, right? And we were expecting buyers to come in. All right. But overall, sellers are still in control. All right. We're in the markdown phase. So that's the Dow. Just want to remind you guys. All right. That's the S&P right here. All right. So S&P was up. Look at this markdown phase. Sellers, red candles. Sellers are in control. All right. But this will fool a lot of traders, right? They look at the markets, see these big up days, and start buying the markets. And then guess what? Turns around, keeps going lower. All right. So, right, we don't buy that. We trade what we see. So great move today, right? Some of our traders did well. All right. So here's the Russell. The Russell was up, and overall, look at the selling in the Russell, guys. Lots of selling. All these red candles. All right. Price is going lower. All right. Now, if the buying continues, let's say we close the week. All right, on a big up week. All right. And we have another week next week where buyers are coming back in, right? We hold support, right? Build and start going higher, right? Then we'll change, right? But that's all based on the price action. All right. The VIX is holding. All right. Let's see here. we will not look at any picks this evening, right? We're just going to go through the markets, look at the different systems, look at this. We look at the current positions that we're in, all right? But no picks this evening, all right? We want the markets to relax a bit, okay? All right. So let's go through the current positions in Monster Scalper, all right? Monster Scalper. Long positions. All right. Now, those of you who've been with us, right? You guys know we go through the markup phase, right? Markup phase, right? We want to be buying, markdown phase. We want to be, um, just waiting, all right, or shorting, all right. So just keep that in mind as we go through the charts here. All right. So, pound New Zealand, pound New Zealand. This was a great trade going. Good markdown phase, accumulation. All right. Buy signal here in the markup phase. We got sellers came in today. All right. Red candle. So we had a sell signal by our system to close the trade. So a buy signal was here, sold here. All right. A decent profitable trade. Closed the trade. So pound New Zealand, go ahead and close that trade. All right. Aussie New Zealand. Aussie New Zealand. Buy signal all the way over here. All right. We talked about resistance being here. All right. Resistance being here. This is where sellers are sitting, guys. All right. So we always want to look ahead, see where the sellers are. And we know sellers are sitting up here. All right. This is where sellers push the price lower before. Here, here. We can count here, here, and also here. All right. So here we are right now. All right. We bought all the way here. So our buy signal, we are all the way up here. It is pulling back a bit. All right. Purple support and resistance. That's always a concern, right? At the top, that means sellers, right? Sellers could come in. So we'll go ahead and close this trade. All right. So Aussie New Zealand, I know it's got a green candle here, guys. I know it's green candles, right? But guess what? We know sellers are sitting here, right? They're holding, waiting right here to push that price lower. We have a purple support and resistance, lower highs, lower lows. Look at the previous, right? Look at the previous purple support and resistance here, right? We are right in that area here. So we don't want to lose those profits. All right. And then pound New Zealand just closed, right? So if we look at pound New Zealand, right? Always pay attention to the other pairs in that group. So pound New Zealand already closed. Sellers are coming in. It's closed. This is Aussie New Zealand. All right. Same group. Guess what? Good chance this will close. So go ahead and close this trade. All right. Buy signal here. We'll go ahead and close it. We don't have red candles or sell signal, but hey, looks like that could come soon. All right. The trade is over. All right. Take those profits. EURSEK. EURSEK buy signal is here. This one is holding fine. We do have resistance up here. All right. If we get up to this area, right, purple support and resistance, we can close it. For right now, we've got yellow support and resistance. All right. In the markup phase, that's what we want to see. Good price action. Buy signal was here. Buy signal was here. All green candles holding fine. If it gets up to this area, we'll pay closer attention to it. Okay, but good trade going there. All right, that's EUR SEK. NZD Swiss, NZD CHF. All right, good markdown phase, guys. Look at this, really good markdown phase. Buy signal is here, just like here, right? Look at the previous trade. No guarantee that this trade here will get to this, but good buy signal. Good support down here. Buy signal, markdown, accumulation. We're in the markup phase. Buy signal here. We'll let it run. All right, New Zealand, Swiss. All right, and these are new positions we added. Same thing, New Zealand CAD. All right, buy signal here, markup phase, markdown, accumulation, buy signal, green candles, markup phase. Great trade going here. Same thing with this one, Aussie Swiss. All right, you guys should see the patterns here. All right, so Nice markdown phase. Waited. Accumulation, price broke resistance, buy signal. That blue arrow, buy signal right here. All right. And green candles moving higher. All right. Um, dollar Swiss. All right, good markdown phase. Look at the previous trades. Great long previous trades. Accumulation, buy signal, nicely in the markup phase. So those trades are doing really well in Monster Scalper. All right. All right. Now we did have, I want to show you guys this. We did have a long, right, in Monster Scalper, our time frames, a new edition, right? Monster Scalper long, uh, Aussie. We send this out. Aussie yen, great long trade, guys, in Aussie yen. All right, so buy signal was here. This is on the 5 minutes now, right? 5 minute time frame. All right, buy signal here, right? Broke resistance, and then broke support right here. Purple support and resistance. Red candle, big red candle, sell signal right here. So great trade today with Aussie yen in monster scalper time frames. Okay. All right. Short positions. There's only one short position in monster scalper. Let's take a look at that. All right. So Swiss yen, right? Swiss yen. Good short going, guys. Here was the short signal right here. When the markdown phase got in about right here, and it's trading down nicely. So good short trade going here. We do have some support, near-term support, which is not a major concern. All right. Hey, Solomon, welcome, Solomon. Welcome. All right. It's not a major concern, guys. It's got past that support. Now we have more support down here. Okay. So if you guys look at this right here, here we've got support right here. Here. We can count this over here. So, right, price could slow down right around here. If it breaks, we have further support down here, right here. Okay, so nice trade, right? We expect Swiss yen to move lower. Okay, so a good trade going here. If you guys did not get in at the sell short signal, it's too late. Okay, do not chase these. All right, it's too late, but good short going there. And this was a good mark. Trade did really well in the markup phase too. All right, Swiss yen has been trading really well. All right, let's take a look at long positions in Forex Dominator. All right, long positions in Forex Dominator. We'll take a look at equities, see how they did. The ones that are left, we don't have a lot. Okay, all right. Forex Dominator, HKD JPY. All right, let's move this. All right, buy signal is here, guys. All right, buy signal is here. We do have resistance right here. We're going to close this trade, but I want you guys to see this. All right, so we got a high here. We know sellers are sitting here. All right, now our buy signal was right here, right? And this is a decent trade here, right? We have purple support and resistance. It's failing. All right, always be aware of where sellers are sitting. Okay, so right now, right, buy signal here, all green candles. We got a white candle today, but it's failing, guys, failing. All right, so sellers could come in heavy. All right, so we'll go ahead and close this trade here. All right, and what we want to do is just wait for sellers. Sellers could come in, we could go short. Okay, but we want to go ahead, close this trade. Right, so buy signal here, white candle. All right, after these white candles, when they're high like this in the markup phase, we get white candles. Good chance that sellers could come in heavy, just like here, red candles. Okay, so we'll go ahead and close that, take profits there. Okay, HKD JPY. All right, close that trade. All right, SGD JPY. All right, That one is still holding the trend line. Buy signal here, all green candles. You can still hold on to that. If we get white candles, sell signal, red candles, we'll get out. For now, can hold it. All right. Dollar CAD, USD, CAD. All right. Buy signal is here. This one is breaking resistance. You guys can see that here. All right. Buy signal here. Nice move, breaking resistance. Buyers are coming in. All right. If it breaks through support, previous resistance is support. All right. You guys know that. All right. We'll close it. For right now, all green candles, it's holding for now. So dollar CAD, holding. USD MXN, Mexican peso there. Good markdown phase. Buy signal was here, but we got in right about here, right? We waited for all of this, got in about here, still holding there. All right. And we're expecting the dollar, guys, to make a move higher. Okay. So let's take a look at futures right here. Oh boy. Okay. So dollar did give a sell signal. We were hoping that it would break resistance, move higher, but it's having a concern. No, the market was up quite a bit, 500 points. All right. Expect that for it to put pressure on the dollar, right? All that buying will put pressure on the dollar. Okay. But remember, one day of buying doesn't make a trend. Okay. So we'll see what the market does, not only tomorrow, but through the week. Okay. All right. USD MXN, right? Still holding here. Euro pound, buy signal is here, right? It's slowly breaking resistance. We have purple support and resistance right here. That's not a major concern because we're in the markdown phase. Expect that, right? In the markdown phase. The only concern is when we get those purple support and resistance at the top of the cycle. Okay, so buy signal is here. All right, nice pullback, breaking out all green candles, nothing to do. Euro pound. All right. EURN, okay. Nice breakout, guys. We love these breakouts. Okay. Previous trade, great trade. Buy signal here, sold here, consolidated. Price got squeezed in the triangle right here. All right. And you guys know it has to go somewhere. The bias is to the long side, upside, broke resistance, buy signal here, all green candles, nothing to do. No support and resistance. So if anyone is in it, just let it run. All right. That's Euro and okay. All right. All right. USD SGD. All right. Buy signal is here. We'll close this one here. Struggling to move higher. We have resistance right here. All right. A lot of consolidation right here, guys. Okay. Now, with what the dollar index is doing, right, we could see it move, move it higher, could see it move higher, but struggling right here. Buy signal here, still in profit, but close that trade. Not very smooth here. All right. Lots of consolidation. All right. So USD SGD. All right. No shorts currently in Forex Dominator. Okay. Let's take a quick look at, before I forget, Bitcoin. All right. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. You guys know Bitcoin finally made a move last week. Okay. So let's see how it's holding up in Crypto's Monster here. All right. So Bitcoin weekly time frame, guys. You guys know it's been consolidating around 25, 26. Finally made a big push last week. Here's the current week right here. So it moved from 25, 26,000. So it's holding at 34,000. All right. On the daily time frame, all right, right here, 34,000 holding. It's holding. It's holding well. I'm shocked. All right. I'm shocked. It's holding well. Now, just remember, most of the other cryptocurrencies will follow Bitcoin's lead. Okay, so Litecoin, all right, Litecoin buy signal here, still holding. All right, Bitcoin Cash, all right, buy signal here, still holding. Ethereum, all right, buy signal here is moving higher, but Bitcoin really, really big move for Bitcoin. Okay. All right. Futures. All right. Gold. Let's take a look at, I think we've got gold, crude oil. Let's see here. All right, crude oil still holding fine. Gold, all right, gold is still holding. I'm surprised gold didn't make a big move lower based on the buying that came in today. All right, so gold is holding. All right, we could see a breakout. The all-time high. Let's see here, guys. I know traders have been frustrated with gold, but guys, we are approaching a big resistance on gold. If we break through that resistance, we could go much higher. So big resistance on gold at $22 and change. So 22, not 20, not 2200, 2216. All right, here we are at 2000. So we are not far, guys. All right, we are not far. So we could, if the markets keep moving higher, we could see gold break out. All right, um, so right here, price is being squeezed. All right. Um, hold on. Hold on. This will make sense. All right. So resistance is up here, but price is being squeezed, guys. Look here. Price is being squeezed. That's always good when price is narrowing, right? Being squeezed, and then it has to go somewhere, right? Either to the upside or downside. We got a green candle here. So the goal is for it to continue to move higher, get squeezed in here, and then pop, hopefully to the upside, and then break this all-time highs right here at 22,000. Okay, so we're seeing gold come in stock boss, bullmaster, heat seeker. All right, but we also see it in the futures market. Okay, so if we go right here, monster futures, see right here, guys, gold. See right here. All right, see right here, gold. Right, E-mini gold. All right, gold. See right here, gold. So in the futures market, they're definitely buying gold, 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 gold. Right, all here, gold, gold, gold. Here's some platinum here. All right, but definitely gold is absolutely trying to make a move. Okay, so we'll see how long that lasts. All right, all right, all right. Equities. All right, so guys, for we've been out of stocks for about 3 months, slowly got in, right, into some basic materials, right, energy. So let's see how we're doing on those. So this is a gold stock right here, basic material, HYM. I'm sorry, HMY. Buy signal is here. That's holding so far. If we get a white candle, we'll close that trade. All right. SWN, right, in stock boss, buy signal here. All right. Right, broke resistance, buy signal, all green candles holding a bit of a pullback. All right, that's energy. TAL, all right, TAL, communication services, will go ahead and close that trade. Okay, all right. So show you guys what we're looking at here. Always pay attention to the left of your screen, right? This is where sellers, they'll tell you where buyers are, where sellers are. All right. So here we are. Here is the high. Here we are here. All right. This is where sellers came in before. Here was our buy signal here at 8:30. Got a white candle today. All right. At 8:98. Certainly we could move higher, all right, and break resistance. But guess what? Price is under a lot of pressure. Look what has happened the last time. It failed. Okay, came all the way back down. So we don't want to do that. So go ahead. If anyone is in it, go ahead and take profits. That trade is over. Okay. All right. So TAL will remove that. Okay. All right. AVPT, buy signal here. That's technology. Now we're not heavy in any of these sectors, guys. All right. So any bit of selling, any hint of selling, right? Got to get out. Buy signal here, AVPT. Buy signal here. It's holding so far. Green candles, purple support and resistance. All right, but it's still holding. So keep an eye on that. All right. So those are the only three left in stock boss. Okay. Bullmaster. And I know we had a big day today in equity markets. All right. I don't even want to see what's coming up in stock boss or Bullmaster. Okay. It doesn't matter. One day of buying, right? This market could sell off tomorrow and for the rest of the week. Okay. So um, yes, we can do well, right? US 30, we can trade the big up days, right? But in and out, in and out. Okay. All right. DRS, right? That's technology. Buy signal here, guys, on a break of this resistance here, right? Right here. Buy signal that's holding all green candles right here. It is high in the markup phase. All right. KTOS, that's technology. Buy signal is here. That's holding. But again, with any of these, be careful. All right. AEO, buy signal here. That's holding. All right. GPS, communication services, buy signal here. This one gapped up, guys. There's a good chance that this one here could, right, hopefully get to resistance here. If it gets to that resistance, just take profits, get out. Okay. Market's under a lot of pressure and sellers are here. See here? That's pretty good resistance right here. All right. All right. ESTE, buy signal is here, a pullback, lots of purple here, purple support and resistance. That is energy. Okay. We'll go ahead and let's see here. So that's the weekly. Here's the high here, guys, on the weekly. Let's take a quick look at the monthly. All right. So we'll go ahead and close this. On the monthly here, guys, it's hitting a lot of resistance here. All right. Right here. These are just highs here. All right. On the weekly. Now, it would be different if the market was bullish, right? Trending, right? And then here we have a high right here. All right. That's energy. We'll leave it for now. All right. We'll leave it for now. Energy is trying to make a move, so we'll see. All right. But any hint of selling, close the trade. All right, so daily time frame. White candle closed the trade, but that is a concern. Purple support and resistance there is a concern. All right, energy. All right, HPK, buy signal is here. That's holding. That's energy also. All right. MRO, all right. Close this trade here. Buy signal is here. Bit of a pullback. All right. Dominic, you can't hear me. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, okay. Put a 1 in the chat. All right. If you can hear me, if you can't, put a 2 in the chat for me, please. Okay. If I get away from the mic, I know it's not as loud. Okay. All right. So 1 in the chat if you can hear me. Okay, you can hear me now. Okay, very good. Very good. Thanks. Okay. So MRO guys, close that trade. All right. Failing. Look here. Remember, we always want to buy on a break of resistance, sell on a break of support. All right. So here is our break of resistance. It bought, right? Bought it here, but pull back. Now it's trading below resistance. Previous resistance is support, right? So, you could hold it, but good chance sellers could come in, right? Not working out right now. So close the trade. MRO, close the trade. All right. MRO, close that trade. All right, the last one here. All right. in bull master. All right. PR, that's energy. All right. Energy, a bit of a pullback right here. This one looks similar to which one was it? I think, yeah, this one right here, ESTE. And PR is also crude oil energy. All right. So we'll leave it for now. It's trying to hold, right? Holding this upward trend line. You see this upward trend line? So it's slowly holding. If it breaks it, gives a red candle, white candle, sell signal, right? Close the trade. Okay. All right. Right. We're not adding any positions in Forex this evening, but I want us to take a look at what's going on. Okay. All right. So still consolidating a bit. Okay. About half in Forex. Let's take a quick look here. So I don't think a lot has changed. Okay. Let's see here. All right. Our monster scalper traders, go here. All right. Spend some time here. All right. Just get off the 240. I mean, there is some positions on the 240. That's fine. But if you guys spend some time here, right, you might find some opportunities, especially if you start in the Euro session. Okay. Like that Aussie yen trade was a good trade. That pound yen trade. Let's see here. Even CAD yen, right? CAD yen was a good trade here on the 5 minutes. And I know this is new. All right. This is new, but spend some time here. Okay. Spend some time here. All right. Stock boss. I said I wouldn't do this, but let's do it. 17. All right. So imagine that the Dow is up 500, over 500 points, and only 17 stocks, guys, coming through heat seeker. All right. That goes to tell you guys, um, they're not buying this market, right? Right. That I would say markets up 511 points. Okay. Guess what? I think a lot of that is, we don't want to say the dumb money. Okay. But, the institutions did not buy this market today. All right. If they did, or if they had, right, we would have seen a lot more stocks. Only 17. So that hasn't changed from Sunday, all right, or even last week. All right, Bull Master. Look at Bull Master, guys. All right, so big up day, right? And only 12 stocks in Bull Master. Okay, so a lot of times, right, buyers will come in and will start chasing these markets, and then guess what happens? Um, you know, price keeps going lower. All right, and we talked about be aware buyers could come in, right? Buyers could come in, right? They feel like they're getting a sale, a discount, so they'll come in. But guess what? The overall trend, right? We're still in the markdown phase. All right, so be careful of this. Now we can trade it like we did on the US 30, smaller time frame, capture that move, right? Get out like we did here. All right, like right here, US 30, right here, smaller time frame, right? Capture that move, capture those buyers, right? Right, we need those buyers to come in. All right, but then we want to get out. All right, there's a good chance. Take a look at the futures, and then I'll be done, guys. We're gonna get out early this evening. I'll be done. There's a good chance that the futures might be up again. Okay, so if that happens, our US 30 traders, all right, just pay attention. Right here, just pay attention. Right, we could get another buy signal here. Okay, another buy signal here for another great trade. So if not, just wait. All right, just wait. Okay. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Perhaps tomorrow, depending on how the market does, we'll take a look at some opportunities in Forex. Okay. But we still have to be careful in Forex. Use your smaller time frames. Right. And I don't always say go to your smaller time frames, but with things consolidating, all right, it's the best place to be right now. Okay, guys. Take care. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.